Jeg heter David fra Afrika, Kenya. Jeg hjälper nu. Nuna lika tarawidu ensku. Jeg tugamal koyo Swahiliku ensku alismao Isransku. Nuna lika tarawidu ensku. My names are David Kimengere Waitito from Kenya. I am in the capital city of Israel called Reykjavik, and I am in the park where, as you can see, this their first man, Jon Sigurdsson, who was born in 1811 and he died in 1879, and he is the author of Israel Independent. And this area is where we start anything. If you have anything to tell the parliament or the government, you start it here. Today I am going to petition the government about some rules on immigrants, which I feel they need to be addressed, because even if we are working and we have been here for long because of uncertainty in our country, and we came for our safety, there are some areas we feel they must relook so that we don't feel neglected. I'm working in this big hotel. As you can see, today there is other people who are also petitioning about environmental justice. And if all goes well, I am hopeful that they are going to address our grievances, particularly on immigrants' rules and regulation. It is my appeal also, if UN, African Union or European Union, they can intervene and they change the old laws which has been unfair to some immigrants, particularly from that world. Wakenya wenzangu, majina yangu ni Kimengere ama sauti ya mnyonge. Mnakumbuka nilianza petition katika Kenya bunge wakati ya BBI, na nikasema BBI haitaenda through. Nashukuru Mungu haikuenda through kwa sababu ilikuwa na mambo mingi ambayo hawakushughulikia. Leo niko hapa ninafanya kazi kwa hiyo hoteli, lakini nataka kupetition National Parliament ya Israel juu ya mambo mawili matatu ambayo tuna feel haiendi mzuri. So I must tell Kenyans, it has me like a hell wakati ninasikia mwakilishi wa wananchi akienda kutetea wasichana wetu katika Gulf, na anasema wao ni malaya kutoka Nairobi wameenda kutafuta kazi. Sikatai, yeye ni mwakilishi, mimi sijawakilisha, mimi ni mtetezi tu wa wanyonge, lakini ile inaniuma sana, wao ni wa Kenya. Hata kama wameweza kwenda Gulf, wamepeleka kazi yao Gulf, nyapu ni yao, hawatalasimishwa kufanya kimapenzi kwa nguvu ama wafanye kwa free, kwa sababu kama wameexport biashara yao, wacha waheshimiwe na wajue ni wa Kenya. Ya pili, ningeomba rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, kama unasikia hii clip yangu, hii ni mwaka ya 3, nimekuambia Mungu anataka Kenya yetu iwe katika mapu ya dunia ambaye ni nchi ya dhamana. Lakini ninashangaa sana rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, wakati ninaona kama umesukua kila kitu kwa msaha. Hata saa hii nashangaa umeridhika sana, you are changing, you have become big, if it is not steroid, inaonekana forgotten why people voted you. Ni uunganishe wa Kenya, uunganishe mdogo yako, uunganishe kila mtu, tusikie sote ni wa baba na mama moja. Lakini naomba, kama Mungu alivyo hai, atakupea ujuzi the remaining time, na ujue ya kwamba wacha hii Kiingereza mingi watu wanasema ati the lame duck. Kwetu wa Kikuyu, wachana na hii ingine watu wanasema you can buy you can hire but you can't buy Kikuyu. Those are the Kikuyus who are K, but the Gikuyu original who are from Mount Kenya, who believes that Mungu lives in Mount Kenya. Alia meteketi ati Ngai aikaraga kirima-ini gia Kirinyaga, gutire mundu ungimagura ona matingĩkomborwo ona matingĩcenjia mũrũgamo wao wa Ngai. Acio nĩ arĩa metagwo Gĩkũyũ ĩrĩa yanjĩrĩirie na G, capital G. Kikuyu hii ingine wanasema you can hire, you can even trade with them, those are K. Na nimechangaa sana kusikia wakisema nyũmba ya Ngai ĩraikarĩrwo thĩ yendio mbeca, atĩ Gĩkũyũ nĩ gĩkwendio Mount Kenya. Nyũmba ya Ngai tarĩ rĩngĩ mũre mwaigua andũ maikarĩte thĩ, mũndũ wa igũrũ na thĩ agatunga andũ na nĩwe ũheanaga kila kĩndũ, gwatuĩka igongona rĩake kana nyũmba yake nĩ kwendio. Nĩ hingo ndaiguire rũgano rũu rwa mbere Kenya, na no njũrie mũnene wa bũrũri, nĩ ndĩramenya andũ a Kenya nĩ magakũmici na matigakũmici nĩ ũrĩa mekĩte wega, magakũmici nĩ ũndũ wa maũru marĩa mekĩkĩte thĩinĩ wa bũrũri. O ta ũrĩa ahoi Ngai mũĩ atĩ Ngai agĩka wega ona agĩka ũru no egocithagia. Rĩu nĩ hingo akirĩrĩirie gwĩka ũru thĩinĩ wa bũrũri wa Kenya nĩ ũndũ wa mahĩtia marĩa anene aitũ mekĩrĩte, magatũma andũ mariganĩrwo nĩ Ngai wao, makahoya mĩhianano na nĩcio mbeca. Rĩu othe ũrakira ũkaigua kũrĩ arĩa marahoya Raila, kũrĩ marahoya Ruto na kũrĩ marahoya Mũgathe metereire direction. Handũ ha gũthiĩ kĩrĩma-inĩ kĩu marendia mainamĩrĩre mere Ngai amahe direction. No Ngai ũrĩa ũtũraga muoyo no agũtũtongoria na atũrathime. Leo nĩ hingo sasa ndio ninaelekea, ninataka kupeana hii petition kwa parliament ndio nirudi kazi. Mungu akitujalia.